A new era is upon us. The internet has evolved. The way we do business is constantly changing. Adapt or die. Customers demand more. Competition is global. How to manage complexity, variability, and risk. A new level of expertise is required. New methods of delivery make it possible. Be flexible. Be agile. Be quick. Be smart. Continuously improve your processes. Rapidly reconfigure your business model. Get the results you need to prevail. Learn from the best. Be the best. I2, the supply chain company.